Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the Roblox app on your Windows 11 computer. So it should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Store. So if you have the icon down in your taskbar, you can go ahead and open that up. Otherwise, select the search magnifier icon and go search for it. So again, pretty straightforward. You'd open up the Microsoft Store, select search at the top right corner of this window. So go left click on that and type in Roblox. Best match, come back to Roblox game. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the Get button. And if you want to sync it with your other devices on your Windows computers, you can select the sign in option. Otherwise, we're going to just select no thanks. And once you've done that, it's going to begin the download process. Okay, so once that's done, you can go ahead and select play and then sign into your account, and that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.